Well, this is Ian Stevenson, and we're here aboard the 2019 Galeon 560. As you can see, this is truly a beautiful motor yacht. We're standing on the transom platform, which is actually full beam of this boat. Push a button, deploys down with integrated steps that are going to go right down into the water. One of the beauties of this boat is that it actually does have a crew quarter. You look down here, looking for a place to go, you're right on the sandbar. You don't have to tramp through the boat and into the bathroom down inside in the cabin. So right here available, otherwise it's great storage use for all of your cushions when not in use on the boat. Let's take a step aboard. So looking at this entryway, just very expansive. Great little entryway here, beautiful teak throughout. And the teak, like the stainless, like a lot of the components on this manufacturer, are all done in-house from the ground up construction, manufactured and installed. Even things like the stainless steel railings, the walkway struts, everything done right there in Poland by Galeon. Putting the crew quarter down, completely removable seating here, but also just a great layout for your cockpit. The table panels come in, a little bit more use and a little bit more space. Galeon's designed this boat to be a rope free, so all of the spaces here have compartments that aren't going to tie up lines or the walkways. A beautiful layout here in the salon, and as you see, there's almost no threshold coming from the cockpit into the salon area. By doing this, Galeon's opened up this motor yacht for a true inside-outside feel, and just looking at the beechwood design on this boat, the flooring, beautiful countertops, and almost floor-to-ceiling windows. It's just a lot of natural lighting on this boat, accompanied by really great accessories as well. Taking a step up to the second level, not only by having a second level is Galeon giving you a lot better vantage point on this motor yacht, but it really just opens up the space down below. So when we get down to the master cabin, you'll notice how high it is. Beautiful stitching on this upholstery, this diamond plated stitching, and of course the TV that pops up from this side of the salon area. Again, a lot of natural lighting. Very, very spacious, and what you'll notice is there's almost no obstructions as far as visibility. So here we are at the helm. Single owner operator boat truly. This has a bow thruster, it's a D11 725, digital throttle and shift steering, but for every captain, just a great window on the side to be able to give you that vantage point and discussing with folks on the bow and also aft where you are as far as docking the boat. Great companion chair here. As I sit down in the companion chair, dual 12-inch screens by Ray Marine, Volvo Penta diagnostic displays. Everything is really ergonomic and right at the push of a button. This is the starboard side window, so again, the push of a button, this window will close up. Otherwise, leave it down for that really nice natural ventilation. Let's take a step down into the forward cabin. Again, great entryway. This material you're seeing on the side panels and all throughout the boat is Alcantara suede. Beautifully designed, really gives a good texture to the walls of the boat. Solid core doors. Galeon does their door frames and their doors quite a bit differently, but it is a solid wood core door with the gaskets on the inside and a no rattle handle, so that while underway, everything's nice and sealed. This is a 3-bed, 2-bathroom boat. Forward VIP here. Plenty of storage both up and down, and it's just a beautiful layout. So forward VIP and then your own access to the bathroom right here on the inside. As you can see from the bathroom here, it is a separated shower. Again, beautiful layout by Galeon, lots of storage. But this opens up the aspect to be able to work in one section and take a shower in the other. Separated individual twin beds, or you can kaleidoscope those together for a full-size bed as well. On this boat, you do have the washer-dryer combo just down below. Again, great option there. And a full beam master. So again, that headspace that I was talking about is here. You have a beautiful backlit headboard, individual sconces on both sides, and a workplace area over here, or just a nice place to relax in the morning. Whole side windows, again, you're staring at that shimmer of the light of the water as you wake up in the morning, and squared off windows to squared off hatches. No attention to detail is spared on this manufacturer. If you go in the inside of all of the closet areas, that's that Alcantara suede that lines every wall of the boat. The master head, separated shower, and beautiful mosaic tile. Whole side windows, and a great layout. Take a step back up to the salon. Recessed speakers on this boat, where most are going to have those boxy speakers on the side, but no space wasted as far as utilizing storage. Nice garage hinges there. This is the 56 Sky Bridge, which means that up on the top level, while we're definitely in an express, this is also a second station. By pushing a button, these two pieces kaleidoscope together, completely covering this bridge area. And really, for a yachter who wants that vantage point, lounging point, but doesn't have to deal with all the aspects of a fly, this is your choice in Galeon. Again, beautiful upholstery, all removable, stowable. And the beauty is you don't have to cover this yourself. Just push that button and the two sides will come together for a real ease of use. Take a step back down to the cockpit. Again, I love what Galeon's done here. Complete rope-free walkway. Just something simple so that the lines aren't obstructing the path. Paying attention to detail to Galeon stainless. Railings and also cleats, everything fabricated and manufactured at the Galeon facility. And what a massive sun deck area up here on the bow. Filler cushions go in, you got plenty of space to recline and relax. And you're obviously a forward, the unofficial dance floor of the boat. This is Ian Stevenson. This has been the video walkthrough of the 560 Galeon 2019. If you'd like more information, come check us out at www.marinemax.com.